I feel so respected that you set aside a few minutes and space for me in your life. I just wanted to say hello and thank you. It's a delicate full morning made me think about you. Hello, I need to pass for a moment. You don't even exist to me. You are beyond what I might have at any point accepted, and I feel so extraordinary advantage that I get to know you and love you. I wish I could personally express my gratitude to everyone who contributed in any way to your breath. I love you. Hey, just awakened pondering how adorable you are. I feel extremely fortunate to have loved you this morning. When I awake this morning, I began scrolling, but then I thought of you. Now I am smiling. Instead, as I look at this picture, send a cute picture of the recipient. The best time of my life is every moment I spend with you because you mean the world to me. I will always treasure every moment of our relationship. I cherish you. I truly don't have the vaguest idea why birds decay, butterfly blossoms, decay to sprout. I don't have the foggiest idea why the sun ascends from the east and sets in the west. However, I truly know why I love you, and that is until the end of time. You cause me to feel cherished, needed, rewarded, and regarded in the event that being a helpful fulfills you. I will rarely be yours, and you will be many. I cherished you. I was reluctant to open my heart to you the first time I saw you. Whenever I first kissed you, I was hesitant to need you closer. I was afraid to lose you the first time I loved you. You were turned into a need in my life. Every breath I take belongs to you. I need to be the swiping that keeps you from drying winter, the glass of water that extinguishes your thirst, that pill that fixes your margin, and the pet that keeps you agreeable. I need to be your being, and I love you all despite your flaws because they all contribute to who you are. They make you amazing to me. I wouldn't believe you should transform anything. I called traveler the ocean, cross the waterway and move heaven and earth. For you my adoration. For you has no limits. When I see you online, I will happy because it lets me know that I am the only one who is in your heart. And thoughts, I love you. My affections for you resemble the universe. You are a star that represents love. I belong to a plant that values loyalty. There is a moon dedicated to our memories. You all, you will always be a mystery to me because there is a black holy for it because you are with me. My day is beautiful because of you. My life has been so meaningful and whatever more than words can say. I adore you each second that I enjoy with you is the best snapshot of my life because you mean the world to me. I will always treasure every moment of our relationship. I cherish you. I don't really know why flowers choose to bloom, why birds choose to fly, or why the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. But I do, you know, why I love you, and that reason will never change. You guess me not feel cherished, needed, revered, and regarded on the off chance that being a half satisfies you. I will rarely be yours and you will be many. I trust you. I was really content to open my heart to you the first time I saw you. I was afraid to want you closer the first time I kissed you. Whenever I first adored you, I was relegated to lose you in my life. You we become a necessity. You are each breath that I take. I want to be the blanket that keeps you warm in the winter. The water glass that quenches your thirst. The headache pill and the comfortable wool. I want to be everything you are. I love you all, despite your flaws, because they all contribute to who you are to me. They make you perfect. I wouldn't want anything changed by you. I could traverse the ocean, cross the stream, and move heaven and earth for you. My devotion to you is unwavering. I feel blissful at whatever point I see you are online on the grounds that it makes me realize that I am the only one in your heart as well as your viewpoints and brain. I cherish you the way I feel about you is like the valley onwards. There is a star for adoration, and that is you. There's a plant for detection, and that is me. There's a moon for recollections, and that is of us. You will always be a mystery to me because there is a black hole for it.